In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign a PDF using ILovePDF, a fantastic online tool that's incredibly user-friendly for all your PDF needs. Whether you're dealing with legal documents, contracts, or just need to add a personal touch to an electronic file, ILovePDF makes the process seamless and straightforward. First, open your preferred browser and go to the ILovePDF website. This platform offers a wide range of PDF tools, but today, we'll focus on signing PDFs. Once you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the Sign PDF option. This is usually prominently displayed, so it should be easy to find. Click it, and you'll be directed to a new page dedicated to signing your PDF documents. Now let's actually select the document you need to work on. Look for the Select PDF File button. Clicking on this will open a dialog box, allowing you to choose the file from your device that you intend to sign. After selecting the appropriate PDF, you're ready to proceed to the next step, which involves specifying who needs to sign the document. At this point, you have two options: only me or several people. If you're the sole signer, choose Only Me. However, if the document requires signatures from multiple individuals, select Several People to begin inviting other signatories. As you prepare to add your signature, ILovePDF provides flexibility to incorporate additional personalization elements. If you want to add initials, simply click on the Initials button. This feature allows you to add short signatures for informal documents or as a placeholder for your full signature later. For company-related documents, you might want to make use of the Company Stamp option. This feature lets you place a predefined stamp or logo on your document, providing authenticity and professionalism. Furthermore, if you need to add your complete signature, just click on Signature. This is where you can either draw, type, or even upload an image of your signature for that personal touch. Once you're satisfied with the elements you've added, proceed to click Apply. This action finalizes your selections and gets the document ready for the next steps. Now, to position your signature and any other elements exactly where they need to be, simply drag them from the panel on the left onto the page. This drag and drop feature makes positioning straightforward and user-friendly. Finally, click on Sign. This important step saves all your adjustments and embeds the signatures into the document. With everything signed and secure, the last task is to download your signed document. By clicking Download Signed Documents, you'll receive a completed PDF file ready to be shared or archived. And there you have it, a simple, comprehensive way to sign your PDFs using ILovePDF. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in making your PDF signing process a breeze.